Naghahanap ka rin ba ng masarap at affordable na tapsilogan, lutong bahay ng ulam, masarap na halo-halo, inihaw at mga sizzling meals? Tara, let's go na dito sa Tapsilods Food Corner located in San Juan, San Fernando, Pampanga. Napakadaming masasarap na silog meals ang pwede mong matikman dito. Unang itatry natin ang kanilang masarap na tosilog. Sobrang na-enjoy ko rin ang kanilang long silog, bangus silog, liempo silog, pork chop silog, tapsilog at ang kanilang sausage silog. At bawat silog meals nila comes with 2 servings of garlic rice and 2 eggs. You have the option to add unlimited rice, soup and gravy for just an extra 20 pesos. And for those looking for solo meals, Tapsilods also offers a range of options including their mouth-watering kare-kare served with delicious bagoong and chicharon bulaklak. If you're in the mood for sizzling dishes, meron din silang sizzling pork sisig, sizzling chicken, sizzling golden chicken, at sizzling pork chop. Available din sa kanilang menu ang kanilang grilled bangus, pinaputok na tilapia, chicken hotdog, pork and chicken barbecue. Na-try ko din ang kanilang pork siomai at ang kanilang lechon kawali. Available din ang kanilang pizza para sa masarap na merienda. To cool off on the hot day, don't miss out on their special halo-halo, mais con hielo and creamy leche flan for dessert. Meron din silang available na refreshing lemonade for only 25 pesos. With affordable prices and generous servings, Tapsilods is the perfect spot for those looking to enjoy a satisfying meal. Enjoy mga senyora, mga tana!